In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your slide deck effectively and efficiently. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or need handouts for a meeting, knowing how to print your slides is a handy skill to have. Let's walk through the process together. To get started first, make sure you have your slide deck open on your computer, ready for us to work with. Once you have it in front of you, you'll want to navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we're looking for the Print option, so go ahead and click on that. When you select Print, a print preview window will open. This window is crucial because it gives you a snapshot of what your printed slides will look like. In this preview window, you have a variety of options to customize how your slides are printed. First, you'll need to choose your printer. Make sure the correct printer is selected, especially if you're working in an office with multiple printers. After confirming your printer, you can specify the paper size you're going to use. Standard A4 is commonly used, but if you need a different size, be sure to check your printer's capabilities and make the necessary adjustments here. Next, move on to the paper orientation. You have two choices: Portrait, which is taller than it is wide, and Landscape, which is wider than it is tall. The choice between these two usually depends on the layout of your slides and personal preference. Now, let's discuss some of the optional settings you can use to tailor the printout to your needs. If you need to change the layout of your print job, you'll want to make use of the Print settings and Preview. This option can often be found, again, under the File menu. This is where you can modify how many slides appear on a single page. For instance, if you are printing slides for a presentation where you need to read notes, you might choose the option to print one slide with space for notes underneath. Alternatively, if you're creating handouts for a meeting or classroom setting, you have options to print multiple slides per page. You can choose 2, 4, 6, or even 9 slides on one page, depending on how small you're willing for the slides to appear. Once you've set all these options to your satisfaction, take a moment to ensure that everything will appear correctly in the print preview. This step is vital because you get a chance to spot and fix any mistakes before the actual printing. If everything looks good, the final step is to hit the Print button. And there you have it. Your slide deck is now ready on paper, exactly as you need it. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that it makes your next printing task a breeze.